How to add your current city on Facebook information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your current city to your profile information on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down, click on profile information. Now click on add current city. Now you can add your current city. Click on public and click on save to save those information to your profile information on Facebook. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.